1941, the Nazis invade the Soviet Union, fast, brutal, confident in victory. In the first months, the Red Army retreats. Thousands are killed or captured. But the war has just begun. Winter, 1942. Stalingrad. The turning point. Surrounded and outgunned, Soviet forces hold the line. They don't surrender, they fight to the death. With T-34 tanks, encirclement tactics, and unbreakable resolve, the Red Army turns the tide. Over 300,000 German troops fall at Stalingrad. From that moment on, the Red Army pushes west, city by city, mile by mile. Until, in 1945, they raise the red flag over Berlin. Strength. Sacrifice. The Red Army.